Have you been wanting your offer to be seen by others? It's almost impossible for a new affiliate program to gain traction nowadays. The mistake many program owners make is thinking that affiliates will flock to them. Very few people are going to promote your program if they don't know who you are.
Hello and welcome. You are now looking at the WarriorPlus affiliate platform. And WarriorPlus is designed for individuals to sell products as well as individuals to promote those products as an affiliate. The website offers to both affiliates and to vendors tracking, statistics, and pixels. It also offers customer statistics and multi-tiered commissions. The platform is also helpful for individuals. The platform is also helpful to individuals acquiring products helpful to their business. And for those looking for programmatic solutions, the platform offers an API. For vendors, there are multiple payment options. Individuals can accept payment through either PayPal or Stripe. And the company offers contact management through all of the major autoresponder systems. It also allows for connections through major webinar platforms as well as membership scripts and connection points. The platform doesn't require any fees to get started. In fact, you may already have an account from having purchased products using this platform. So in this course, we'll focus on the basics of getting started as both an affiliate as well as a vendor. And we'll start the process in the next video with the sign-up process. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.